What's happening, guys? I'm Dikshika and this is your 15 minutes of boxing workout. It's a full body workout and work your arms, work your heart, work your legs and work your sweat. So are we ready? You don't need anything for this workout. Don't even need a mat. But yes, for starting and ending, you might need it. So if you have one, get it. Otherwise, it's absolutely okay. Let's quickly open up the shoulders. We're going to start with arm rotations. Quick warm up for our upper body. 3, 2 and 1. Reverse it. The structure of this workout is pretty simple. We'll be doing 1-minute boxing rounds and we have 10 of those with 20 seconds break in between. And switch side to side. 3, 2 and 1. Bend towards one side, side reaches. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. You're going to open your legs, touch your toes, come up, arch your back. 3, 2 and 1. Legs wide, toe taps. Last one. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Break. Done. Alright, so for simplicity, all you need to do is keep your left leg forward and right leg back, which is going to be a boxing stance for today. You're going to make a fist with your hands, keep them up on your chin, elbows are tucked in. Alright, that's your boxing stance. So this is the stance in which you will be throwing punches throughout. Cool? Let's quickly start with the first one. Hands up on the chin. We are getting into a jab, cross, left hook, right hook, uppercut, uppercut. These are 6 punches of boxing. 2 are front, 2 are from the side, and 2 down and up. All right, let's work those for a minute, starting in a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Jab, cross, left hook, right hook, uppercut, uppercut. Easy peasy. Extend your arms when you're hitting those jab crosses. Keep the elbow up in those hooks there. So your elbow and your shoulder and your elbow and wrist is in one line, as you can see. There, up and up. Keep moving. So every time you have to try and get a new target, okay? Find a new target. It's like you're fighting somebody. Jab crosses are on their face. Hooks are on their cheeks or jaw. And uppercuts, it's like self-explanatory actually. Right here, yeah? Uppercut is boom. Keep going, last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Perfect. That was amazing. Now that you know all 6 punches, jab, cross, hooks from the side, uppercuts are down, up, we'll work on the punches separately, so one at a time. You're going to be starting with jab crosses, straight punches. So find a spot in front of you and just go non-stop. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Just that, okay? Non-stop punches. Make sure you're twisting your hips side to side when you do these. So just not from the shoulder, it's from your hips as well. Knees are slightly bent, not extended. There. So if someone pushes you, you're not falling back. Keep going. Relax your arms. You're hitting jab crosses right in line with your nose. So not down, not up. Right in line with your nose. Come on, come on, come on, guys. This is amazing. Last 10 seconds. Go for it. Hands will always come back on the chin. Last 3, 2, and 1. Break. Very, very well done. Now we're going to get into hooks and uppercuts. So hands up on the chin. Hooks are always from the side. All right. So they're here. You're going to go side and front. Come back. Go to the other side there and repeat. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So left and then right. Very simple. Chin has to be always tucked in. Shoulders are not up like that. Relax them. And you're turning your foot. That is how you're generating the power. You're not using your shoulders. You're using your hips. And that's obviously giving you extra workout. Keep going, there. Keep moving. Ten seconds. Last 5. Elbow up, guys. Elbow has to be up. 3, 2, 1, and break. So those were your hooks. Now we will switch to uppercuts. They are my favorite punches. So hands like that on your chin again. So that is your stance, as I said. Guard is on. You're gonna drop your body forward, open that hook, open that uppercut and hit going down and up. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. There and back. It's slightly challenging to learn these. It feels great when you throw those. Your wrist is facing you. It's not facing out. Okay, it's facing you. There, it's just like a hook, but you're dropping the elbow down. Breathe out. Whenever you punch, breathe out. You'll work your abs a bit more when you do that. Your last 10 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Very well done, guys. Now you know all 6 punches. So jab, cross, left hook, left uppercut, right uppercut. Now we're going to combine these. Next one is basically you have to give me 10 jab crosses, 10 hooks, 5 each side, 10 uppercuts, 5 each side, 5 jumping jacks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, switch. Hooks, 5 each side. Uppercuts, 5. Jumping jacks, 5. And you repeat it. Keep going. Set your pace. You don't have to follow my pace. You follow your pace, okay? Set a pace for yourself and stick to it. Last 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Good job, guys. This is amazing. We're halfway there. Now, your punches are looking great. So let's quickly move on to doing some combinations. Okay, so the first one would be jab cross 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hook and 1 cross. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 4 jab crosses. Left, right, left hook and a cross at the end. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hook, cross. Move. So imagine yourself in a ring, okay? There. You're fighting with somebody, some imaginary someone, your boss, some ex, yeah? Can be anyone. And you're fighting with them. So you have to constantly move and figure out where exactly they are. Their target is constantly moving. Imagine that. Come on. That's it. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Looking good, guys. That's amazing. All right, we are on our 7th round. Next one is a left hook, cross, left uppercut, cross. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Left hook, cross, left uppercut, cross. Crosses with your right arm, the straight punch. Left hook, cross, left uppercut, cross. Ha, 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 ha. That's it. Keep going. Hook, cross, up, cross. Keep going, guys. Keep moving. That's it. Last 15 seconds. Last 10. 5, 3, 2, and 1 break. Good job, fam. That's amazing. All right. Now, we're going to get into the next one. 4 jab crosses again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to bend your knees there. As you come up, you throw an uppercut, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend your knees, uppercut. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend your knees, uppercut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat, uppercut. It's called a duck in boxing lingo, which is basically saving yourself by squatting down, saving yourself from that punch, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, duck, and up. Down, ha. Down, up. That's great. Down, up. Come on, come on, come on. And relax. Whew, that's great, guys. Last 2 combinations left. Are we ready? This one is going to be slightly longer and we're going to progress, okay? So I'm going to give you a combination right now and we'll add to that combination. So 4 jab crosses, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 uppercuts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2, 3, 4. Ha, 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 ha. Keep moving, keep moving. Come on. Keep going, last 30 seconds. 4 jab crosses, 4 uppercuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 seconds. Last 15. Last 10. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Break. Last combination, guys. So all you need to do is add to this combination. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 hooks. 1, 2, 3, and a cross at the end. Okay? So you're adding left hook, right hook, left hook, cross. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 4 straight punches starting with your left hand. 4 uppercuts starting with your left hand. 3 hooks starting with your left hand and ending in a cross. 4, 4, 3, cross. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. Keep going. We're almost there. Come on, come on. That's it. Last 15 seconds. Last 10. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Woo. We are done with our workout. Catch your breath. Keep your feet under your hips. Relax your head. Just catch your breath there. You're done here, guys. Be proud of yourself. You did that 15-minute crazy killer boxing workout. Feel free to stretch. Take out time. Take out 5 minutes to stretch it out. Because we are done here. I'm going to see you next time, guys. This is Dikshika signing out. Peace and love.